Welcome to the Rider Pro Beast from Hamamatsu is back and it's meaner, leaner, and faster than ever. Meet the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z450, the latest evolution of Suzuki's championship-winning motocross machine. After years of refinement and feedback from pro riders around the world, Suzuki has unleashed a bike built for one thing: dominating the track. Design and ETO styling, aggression refined. The new RM-Z450 still carries Suzuki's bold yellow identity, but 2026 brings sharper lines, slimmer ergonomics, and a more aerodynamic stance. The redesigned plastics not only look aggressive, they enhance rider movement and airflow efficiency. The seat is narrower, the tank is reshaped for better grip, and the entire chassis feels laser-focused on control and comfort. Suzuki didn't reinvent the look. They evolved it with purpose, engine, and performance. Proven power, perfected. At its heart beats a refined 449cc DOHC single-cylinder engine, now tuned with updated fuel mapping and improved throttle response. Suzuki's engineers focused on smoother low-end torque and a stronger mid-range punch, perfect for clearing jumps or powering through corners with ride-by-wire throttle, updated ECU tuning, and launch control mode 3.0. The 2026 RM-Z450 gives riders more control at the gate and better traction in all conditions. Chassis and handling, the balance of power. Handling has always been the RMZ's secret weapon, and in 2026, it's sharper than ever. The aluminum twin spar frame is lighter yet stronger, and Suzuki has reworked the KYB suspension for better damping and stability. The new rear linkage geometry delivers improved traction on loose terrain, while weight distribution has been optimized for precision steering and improved balance mid-air. Every movement feels more connected, more confident. Tech and features, smarter than ever. Technology meets dirt. The 2026 RM-Z450 now supports Suzuki MX Connect, allowing riders to adjust engine maps and traction control via smartphone. 3 preset modes can be customized and switched in seconds, giving you pro-level tuning right at your fingertips. In the updated Suzuki Holeshot Assist, control, S-HAC, and traction management system, and this machine becomes more adaptable than ever. And from deep sand tracks to hard-packed circuits, race DNA built from championship blood. Suzuki's racing heritage runs deep. The RM-Z450 has carried legends like Ricky Carmichael and Ken Roczen to victory, and this 2026 model continues that legacy. Every nut, bolt, and curve is inspired by real-world racing experience. This isn't just a motocross bike, and it's a race-bred machine born from decades of competition. Price and availability. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z450 will hit dealerships worldwide in mid-2025, expected to start around $9,799 US. Available in Champion Yellow X, it's built for riders who demand performance, reliability, and pure Suzuki spirit.